Python is a high-level programming language that lets you write clear, readable code. At its core, Python is an interpreted language, meaning the code runs line by line in a virtual machine. When you run a Python script, the interpreter reads the code, compiles it into bytecode, and executes it in the virtual machine. Here's a simple example: print a greeting and the current year. The execution follows a clear flow: start, parse, execute, produce output, and finish. Python isn't just a language, it's a huge ecosystem. Over 20,000 libraries in the standard library and PyPI make it perfect for web, data science, AI, and more. Compared to languages like C++ or Java, Python's syntax is concise and readable, which speeds up development and reduces bugs. So whether you are building a website, crunching data, or automating tasks, Python gives you the tools you need to get it done quickly and cleanly.